Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back sa another video natin dito sa ating Kiros TV. I'm your host, Kiros TV. Hello guys, magandang araw sa inyo lahat. So, as of now, this is our part 6 ng laro natin sa Legend of Legaia. And kung bago ko pa lang nakapanood ng aking mga videos, please follow my page, like and share my videos. Sa Facebook yan at sa YouTube, just search Kiros TV, mga ka-gamers. So, salamat po sa suporta at pagtulong nyo sa akin. So, let's continue our game. Let's go! So, kare-revive lang ng Genesis 3 sa Mount Ricorua. So, ang ating gagawin ngayon is we will go back to the Drake Castle. So, dahil orange na or yellow na ang kulay ng buhay natin, so we will use Vera na na-absorb natin kay Kiros TV. So, yan. Magre-regen tayo ng buhay. Okay, so we will go down now. So dito wala ka na masyadong mapapansin na kalaban, pero meron pa rin. May encounter ka pa rin, pero hindi na ganun kadalas. Kasi nawala na yung mist dun sa area. So sige, meron pa rin. Pero on this battle, kasama na natin si Noah. So we have two characters, si Von and si Noah. So let us begin. So gusto ko lang din ipakita sa inyo yung effects ni Vera during battle. So we will use Vera on Kiros TV while we use Spirit on Noah. So, yan si Vera. Mystic Care. So, yun. Nagre-regenerate siya ng buhay. So, nag-level si Vera. Okay, that's good news. So, now we will try to attack our enemy. So, ito, gagamitin natin. And, dito. Nasalag niya yun. Ang galing naman niya. So, we'll try again, another one. Spirit ulit tayo dito. We defeat number 2 enemy. So, isa na lang ang nakitira. So there we go. Oops, sorry. We'll just go outside sa Mount Ricorua. Then we are now heading at Drake Castle. Okay, we will use I guess. Tornado Flame pa rin. And then Tempest Break para kay Noah. Wow. 384 damage. Okay, we defeated the enemy. So, this is the Drake Castle. Papasok na tayo dito. So, see, the Drake Castle now is free from the mist. So, meron na mga tao dito ngayon. Yung mga treasure chest na hindi natin nakuha before, na nakabarricade, makukuha na natin. So, tinatanong ni Noah kung, is it safe? Will be okay? Siyempre, don't worry. Travelers, have you driven away the mist? Yes. So what we heard was true. One look at the shining zero on your arms and I understand how this miracle occurred. I am Drake the Third, king of this castle. You may deepest gratitude. Okay. So tinatanong ni Noah kung ano daw yung buhok sa ilalim ng ilong ng hari. So sabi ng hari, mustache daw yun. Tapos kay Noah naman, whiskers daw. So anong nangyari dito, kinuwento lang ni Noah and ni Van kung anong nangyari during the revival of Genesis 3 sa Mount Rikurua and kung ano mga nangyari sa Rim Elm. So yun. So see, we're now heading at Byron Monastery para mag-search dun sa mother ni Ming. Okay. So yung king ay may binigay na key, so yung water key. So titingnan natin kung saan natin makukuha yun. Okay. Okay, so since bawasan ng HP at MP natin, punta tayo dito sa kwartong to kasi meron tayong free rest dito para automatic mag-recover yung buhay natin. So I guess there's an event. Okay. Nananaginip si Noah. Noah, where are you? I miss you. I want to see you. Who's there? Who is that? Whose voice is that? Noah, my dear mother can't hear you very well. Oh, mother ni Noah. Okay. Are you my mother? I wanted to see you. So sabi ng mother ni Noah, yung lugar daw ng mother ni Noah is nasa source daw ng mist. So I guess hindi pa natin malalaman kung saan yun at this point. So fully recovered na tayo. So, kukunin ko dito yung platinum card na sinasabi ko before. So, if I'm not mistaken, nandito siya. So, see the platinum card. Then, puntahan natin yung ibang room na may treasure chest. So, let's go outside. Then, dito tayo. So, mukhang nakuha ko na yata dito ah. Try tayo sa ibang room. Okay. Alam ko meron dito. Ayun oh, may nakikita ako dito eh. We will try. Pag ito nag-move. Alam ko. Ayaw niya mag-move ha. Yun. Wala eh, no? So, let's search sa ibang lugar. So, let's check this door. So, yun, this one. So, there's a healing leaf. Okay. So, this one. Healing bloom. Swift water. Okay. So we are now heading outside. Ayan. So there's an event again. Kiros TV. So many people. They look so. I want to feel. Now I feel kind of happy too. I want to talk to them. Sure, they'll be happy. So dito guys, meron akong tip dito na para makakalibre tayo ng equipment para kay Noah. So just watch carefully kung ano lang gagawin ko dito. Ha? So Kiros TV, look at this. This is so cool. Fighting robe. Yan yung kukunin natin na libre. Instead na bibili natin, libre natin siya makukuha. So see, I'll give you a good price. Okay. Yeah, money daw. So tatanungin tayo dito ni Noah. So tell me what this money is. Ang gagawin ko dito, ang isasagot natin is, I don't know, sorry. Kunyari hindi natin alam. Para ibigay nung dealer yung libreng fighting robe. So, see? Okay, so sinasabi niya na yung money daw is pambili ng mga bagay-bagay. So, that's money. Yon, I'll give the fighting robe for free as a present from me to you. See? So we have now free fighting robe para kay Noah. Okay. How embarrassing. Okay. So that's how you get a free fighting robe. So let's go to another shop. So, which item restore your HP the most when you use it? So, tinatanong tayo ni Noah dito. So, if I'm not mistaken, ang pinaka the best or nag-heal ng 100% is the healing berry. Kasi itong healing leaf 200 only, healing flower 800 HP, then this is the full HP. Ito naman, increase lang to ng HP capacity. So, itong sasagot ko dyan. Okay. Next question. So, what does the Door of Light do? Siyempre, escape from dungeon. Last question. So, si May yun nasa Rim Elm, si Lezam yun nasa Hunter Spring, si Master Tetsu sa Rim Elm din. So, what's ang pangalan nito? Okay. So, nagkaroon tayo ng 10 healing shrooms galing kay Noah. So, lastly, kakausapin na natin si Noah dito. So, what's an inn for? A place for sleeping. So, siyempre, ito sasagot ko dyan. So now, we can freely move again the character. So, bibili tayo ng equipment para kay Noah. Guardian clip. Electric shoes. So, yan. Let's equip it for Noah. So, yan. May equipment na si Noah ngayon. Then, let's check dito. Okay, may target chain. Defender chain. So, wala pa naman akong bibilin. So, okay. Ang goal natin ngayon is makapunta sa Byron Monastery. So, we will head outside this castle. Then, let's press L1 para makita natin yung world map. So, we are now at Drake Castle. So, yan. Itong nasa gitna ang Byron Monastery. So, we are now heading to the water, itong bridge na to. And then, we go to east. So, puntahan natin. So, dito natin gagamitin yung water key na nakuha natin dun sa hari. So, now we can finally pass through dito sa daan. Makakapunta na tayo sa Byron Monastery. Kunin natin to treasure chest. Wind Book 1. So, previously nakuha natin yung Fire Book 1 para kay Meta. I guess this is for Noah naman. Items used. So, Wind Book 1 para kay Noah. So, we already now learned the Frost Breath. Then, itong mga water na to is, for example, this one, Guardian Water is increased defense plus 4. Speed plus 4, this Swift Water. Power is the attack plus 4. So, later na natin gagamitin yan. So, dito, aakyat tayo dito kasi may makukuha tayong treasure chest pero hindi tayo makaka-proceed. So, yan. Dito lang muna tayo. So, yun. The mist generator. Okay? So, hindi pa rin nila kaya mag-pass through doon kasi masyado makapal yung mist. So, ang goal natin, kunin lang natin yung treasure chest, then alis na tayo. So, we got Phoenix. Okay? Purpose naman ng Phoenix is makakapag-revive tayo during KO sa laban. So, we just head east. So, wala pa magic skill si Noah. So, may equipment na rin si Noah ngayon, di ba? Okay. Then I will show you kung ano itsura ng Frostbreed. So let's press down, down, left, left, right, right. Still alive, ah. So I'm just using Hyper Arts. Okay. So we gain another item, Antidote. So dito ulit may makukuha tayong item dito. Yeah. Life water. So we just exit again. So yeah. So malapit na tayo sa Byron Monastery. Konti na lang. We just had to defeat this enemy first. We begin. Arms, arms, Rasero, arms. Then Tempest Break. Okay. So, we increase one level para kay Von. Okay. So, we are now here at Byron Monastery. We will enter now. I don't believe it. So, yan. So, papasok na tayo sa Byron Monastery. Okay. So, yung matanda si Master Zopu. Okay, how dare you call Master Zopu an old man? Okay, so they will make a party para sa arrival ng dalawa. No. Yes. Okay, yes. So, our goal for this video is makarating sa Byron Monastery, and then yun nga, nakarating na tayo sa Byron Monastery. And we will end our video for today. So, thank you very much guys sa lahat ng nanonood ng aking video. And please continue to follow my page, Kiros TV. Like and share my videos guys. Sa Facebook yan guys at sa YouTube. So, ang simple lang na pag-like at pag-share ng aking video is napakalaking tulong na sa akin. So, thank you very much po sa lahat na nagpa-follow ng aking page at sa lahat ng nanonood. Thank you so much for your continued support. So again, this is Kiros para sa Kiros TV. Have a great day guys. God bless.